This is how to install a roll blind inside the recess. To do this, you'll need your measuring tape, a drill, screws, rawl plugs, a piece of paper and a pen. As you took the narrowest measurement of your window, measure the top and adjust where you need to install your brackets accordingly. Usually, this will be no more than 1 centimetre in from the recess. Top tip, make sure the bracket with the cross on is on the side you'd like the blind chain to be. Using your brackets, mark your drill holes. Carefully drill your holes, insert wall plugs and screw in the brackets, making sure they're secure. Line up your blind and hook the chain end into the cross first. Clip your blind in and admire. We'd love to see them hanging, so take a photo and tag us at Made by Stitched.